Hey guys, this is Renault Megane II videos of me again, and today I will speak about check the fuel filter error. So if you start your car and see this error, do not get into too much panic. Of course, you maybe need to replace your filter, but first thing you can do to check if it's all okay, you have to start your car, turn your wheel maximum to the left side so you can easily access the filter side. Or at least you have to find where your filter is located. I know that mine is at passenger side. When you've done this one, you also can open your front engine by hood, and yeah, you can just stop your car. You don't need it turning it all the time. And next thing what you have to do, just get out of your car. You can see right here where you can put your oil in. Go inside here deeper behind, and here is the fuel pump. You can actually touch it by your hands, or you can also go with removing all these plastic covers. It's very easy stuff to do. I don't think that's important to do it right now, but you can do it if you need it. You have to locate the fuel filter pump. I already showed it was here. You can easily touch it by just one finger, so you don't need more. And when you touch it, you can press it. If you can press it and touch it, then it's all right. You have no problems with it. Next thing, okay, go under your car and check for this little piece for opening. Usually you can use this one to change your light bulbs, but in this case I'd look for a fuel filter. So this is the fuel filter. Maybe put some little cloth or whatever else here if you want that it does not spill everywhere else. And then next thing, after you have put this cloth here, just unscrew this one, and don't worry about screwing it a lot. You have to unscrew it a lot. You see here it's like I open almost completely. So when it's not completely, but well, quite spacing here, and it's easy to see what you have to do next. Just look for, you remember I showed you this pump here. Put your finger one here. Be cautious, this might be hot, so don't touch engine. And after you pressing with one finger this one, you can look by yourself here and see if something comes out when you press it. And you could see there it came out the diesel, but it might be also mixed with water, and this is why you got this error. So this is how to get out the water, the condensate, whatever else from the fuel. And if you pump this like 3-4 times, it's okay, and you might actually help your fuel pump a lot in this case. So I hope I could help you, and at least maybe this will fix your check fuel filter light for a while. But also I will make sooner or later video how to replace the fuel filter, because I think it's time to replace mine. I already bought a new one, and yeah, you can see under there is some sort of connector. This is actually what gave this warning, because it's looking if there is no water content inside, or it is, and if there is water content, it just gives this light. So especially after the winter, it's always good to let a little bit of fuel out from the filter, what's mixed together with water. Also close this one. You can take this water with you, take this one, slide this back as it was, and no hard thing to do. And here you can see this side goes in first. Thanks for watching, I hope I helped you.